Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Sparkle English, where I teach you how to improve your level of English. In today's lesson, I'm going to teach you about there is and there are in the future tense. We say there will be. So first, I'm going to show you the difference between there is, there are, and there will be. We use there is and there are to say that something exists or doesn't exist. In the present tense, we use there is or there's plus a singular noun. For example, there is one cake or there's one cake. And with plural nouns, we use there are. There are two cakes. Now, if we're talking about the future and we want to talk about how many cakes are at the party in the future, we say there will be two cakes. So in the future tense, we use there will be with singular nouns and plural nouns. For example, there will be a meeting tomorrow. And again, with plural nouns, it stays the same. There will be cupcakes at the party. Let's look at some more examples with there will be. Now, you can shorten there will to there'll. So there will be or there'll be. There'll is a contraction for there will. So for example, there will be an exam tomorrow, or there'll be an exam tomorrow. There will be 4 students in the classroom. There'll be 4 students in the classroom. There will be blue skies tomorrow. There'll be vegetarian food at the wedding. Now let's look at the negative form of there will be. We say there won't be. We do not say there willn't be because willn't is not a word. We say there won't. That is the contraction for will not. So in the future tense, we use there won't be plus a singular or plural noun, or there will not be. For example, there won't be live music at the club tonight. There will not be towels at the hotel, so we'll have to bring our own. Again, you can say there will not be or there won't be. Now, how do we ask questions? We don't say is there or are there if we're asking about the future. We say, will there be? Will there be plus a singular or plural noun. For example, will there be snacks at the party? Will there be panda bears at the zoo? Okay, so now let's practice there will be. Imagine there is a party tomorrow, and these are the things that will be at the party. I want you to fill in the blanks for these 6 questions. Number 1, many people. Number 2, any children. Number 3, balloons and decorations. Number 4, music and dancing. Number 5, any food or snacks. And finally, number 6, any pets. So let's answer these together. Number 1, there will be or there'll be many people. Number 2, there won't be any children. We don't have any children in that picture. Number 3, there will be or there'll be balloons and decorations. And again, number 4, there will be or there'll be music, and dancing. Now, number 5, we have to ask the question, will there be any food or snacks? And finally, number 6 is also negative. There won't be, or there will not be, any pets. Okay, so let me know in the comment section how many you got correct out of 6. Thank you very much for watching. If you want to see more grammar lessons from my channel, click on the link in the description below to go to my English grammar playlist. Thank you guys once again for watching, and I will see you in my next lesson.